We're at the Warwoman Dell Trail at the Chattahoochee National Forest. We're supposed to be at the Bartram Trail. We need to figure out using the Old Trails app where exactly we are. Just gonna walk a little bit here. Because again, the Old Trails marks an entrance that is non-existent to where we're supposed to be versus where we are right now. A picnic area here. Oh, they have a fire pit. It's like a campsite, a group campsite here. Seems to be still in use. So I guess people can stay overnight. Anyway, this is the Warwoman Dell trailhead. We're supposed to go somewhere to where we're supposed to be. Probably a day campsite because there's not too much quiet or privacy because we're right next to the road. It's very busy. We're close to a very touristy heavy area. We're in Rabun County in Georgia. There's Toccoa Falls, there's the Tallulah state parks. It is very, very touristy. 66 steps to the abandoned Blue Ridge Railroad bed and intermittent steamer. Anyway, so we climbed the stairs and we are here. It's like a small stream of water. I was not expecting this. Very serendipitous. Is that the word, serendipitous? There's supposed to be a railroad across here. You can see there's no more rails. But it's a really nice stream of water coming off from the mountain. It's very muddy, so I suggest to be careful. Again, I don't think this is a trail, but a remnant of a railroad that used to cross here. I guess in the past, very narrow by the way. In the past there were no trees in this area. They were completely clear, you know, so the train can pass safely. Otherwise it will be hitting that big tree right here. So I guess it grew after there were no more trains coming in. How far back that was? No idea. I probably did more research about it. But again, very serendipitous. I was not expecting to take this part of the trail here. So I need to go back and figure out exactly where I'm supposed to be getting into in order to go to the exact same, not the exact same, but you know, going to the trail I wanted to go. We're going where I was supposed to originally be going. I'm burning daylight, so let me stay quiet for a bit, and I'm gonna do more research. I'll be back. There's some really good stream of water going down there. Unfortunately, that's as far as I can go. Okay, it's the William Bartram Trail. In 1775, William Bartram rode in travels of the flora and fauna of this area as he gathered specimens to ship to London. So that was a couple of years before the American Civil, the Revolutionary War. Anyway, let's continue. hot dog. And there you go. I don't know what's the name of this waterfall. We made it to the other side. Let's take more pictures. I know there's more waterfalls across the way. Really good water flowing right now. Very fun, very fun. It reminds me, it's a bit of everything I have been in Georgia so far. That's good. I got rewarded. I got rewarded with that shot less than half a mile from where we were originally at. Should have brought in more food. I have 3 English muffins I made at home early this week. I have 4 oranges. And we're in a bifurcation here. I need to figure out where we're supposed to go next. There's more water coming down here. If the terrain around it was sandy instead of mud, I will dare to drink that water, because sand works as a natural filter. Again, don't take my word for granted. Do your research. That's something that occurred to me, and I'm not an expert. Don't do what I suggest. Just follow proper guidance from reliable sources. That's all I have to say. Whatever that source is, that is not me. Okay? Alright, let's keep going. Let me see if I can show you. The water flowing very good up here. Nice. All right, I'm gonna head back. And we are back into the trail. Another crossing of water crossing. The water's low enough to cross here. Otherwise I wouldn't recommend doing it. Man, oh man, this is beautiful. This is what I considered camping when I was a kid. This is what I wanted to be. But we're doing it now. I'm taking it all in. Just take it all in. Whenever you're in this small places like this, take it all in. Look at how clear that water is. I love it. Alright, let's keep going, folks. I need to check on Google Lens and see what these are. Alright. A lot of down a tree, so be careful, folks. Catch you later. There's a natural refuge here. I think people use it to make some fire. Some sort of modern day cave, people. It's a small cave. You can sit there and hold it while you're waiting for a storm to pass you by. And guess what? Right next to it, found some nice falls over here. Hey man, I love this trail here already. I love it. Well worth it. So there's some sinkholes here, so be careful. You ready? Here we go. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This looks like I'm daydreaming here. Wow. I need to know what is the name of this falls here, because wow. And I think I took a detour instead of going straight into the trail. I think it's worth it. Goodness gracious. That's beautiful. Wow. I just noticed there's some big oak trees over here. They're huge. Just an idea how big they are. Anyway, I estimate a little bit over 100 years, but not that old as the ones that we saw before in North Carolina and the oak tree in Thomaston in Georgia. Those are huge. Well, these one are decent. I've been here for a while, but not that long. Let's continue. There's a millipede over there. Hello. That was a millipede. I've seen them before, very far and in between. Alright, let's keep going. Another tall tree here in Bartram Trail, the Pinnacle knob. I can say that it's probably over 100 years, maybe 200, I dare to say. I wish they were marked with an estimated age. Probably there was a sign, but either it washed away or otherwise. Let's keep going. Alright. Take a look at that. It's a mini waterfall. So once it reaches, we measure in feet instead of inches. I think it's a proper waterfall at that point. And we are almost less than a mile away. This is beautiful. Another nice small cave. Well, actually, doesn't look that safe because there's water flowing there, so there's some serious storm and downpour. I expect that to turn into a very robust waterfall. It's not safe to stay there. So you are on your own up here. I had to climb a little bit more. We're there. Wow! Nah. There's another small bridge here. Nothing to write home about. Small stream of water. Up there is supposed to be the summit of Pinnacle Knob. Let's see how far this trail takes us. I think it's gonna take a turn and then you go there. That'll be the end. It's so short, but evidently supposed to go a little bit ways. Anyway, let's see if we can make it. We're a few hundred feet from the proposed summit of this mountain. We're almost there. Here we are, Pinnacle Knob. Pinnacle Knob here in Clayton County, Boone, Georgia. Is on the books. Thank you so much for watching. Safe travels. There's a campsite here, right close to where we are. Just 10 feet. And this is officially the highest point we're gonna reach here. I don't see any marker. But you can see there's the highest we have been. It's supposed to be right there. I don't see any plate marking it or any plate. Anyway, that's it. Have a good one. Copperhead. Scary. Something like that.